How to fix Twitter tweets aren't loading right now on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and here just scroll down until you find Twitter and wait, here is it. Click on it and now just click this one, force stop, and then go to permissions, allow all of those here, allow all of those. It's easy, just click on it and click allow and that's it. Then just go to storage and clear cache, this one, clear cache, and then just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to Play Store and update your Twitter and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.